This week, Pakistan once again resorted to cross-border firing at LOC to infiltrate terrorists into Indian territory. However, Islamabad's consistent efforts to wreak havoc in Jammu and Kashmir through mortar shelling and attempts of infiltration received a befitting response from the Indian Army. Besides that, proactive Indian defense successfully eliminated 4 terrorists hiding in Kashmir Valley recently. And it's not a one-off breakthrough, but the forces have been successful in busting all the nefarious anti-India plots hatched in the corridors of Islamabad and Rawalpindi. A report.
Receiving a shot in the arm, Indian security forces recently neutralized 4 terrorists in a gun battle in Kashmir's Shopian district. Security forces received a tip-off about terrorists hiding in Melhora area of the district, following which a search and cordon operation was launched that led to a gun battle as terrorists opened fire towards security forces. Moreover, Indian security forces also busted a hideout of terrorists in Shrindhara area of Poonch district and recovered a huge amount of arms and ammunition, including 1 AK-47 rifle, 3 AK magazines, 43 AK rounds, 1 Chinese pistol and 1 pouch of ammunition from there.
रात से चल रहा है ऑपरेशन। इसमें 4 से 5 आतंकवादी के छुपे होने की खबर मिली थी और वर्तमान समय में 4 आतंकवादी को मार गिराया गया है और एक संभावना है कि अभी भी एक अंदर छिपा हुआ है, जो कि अभी सर्च हमारा चल रहा है। सर्चिंग के बाद ही पता चल पाएगा कि उसमें एक और है या नहीं है।
Frustrated by repeated failures at fomenting terror in Kashmir, the Pakistan Army has intensified the range and frequency of cross-border firing at the line of control. This week too, Pakistan launched unprovoked rounds of ceasefire violation by firing artillery guns and intense shelling along the LOC in Poonch district's Manakoti sector in Jammu and Kashmir. This attack left 1 civilian injured who was later admitted to hospital in a very critical condition. Locals living near borders are terrified because of continuous shelling by Pakistan. They say the firings have made their lives difficult, especially amid the ongoing pandemic. However, the Indian Army has been strongly retaliating against these ceasefire violations, resulting in heavy exchange of fire.
आज पाकिस्तान ने फिर से अपनी नापाक हरकत करते हुए जो है सीज फायर यहाँ पे वायलेशन की है, काफ़ी हैवी फायरिंग उसकी तरफ से की गई, तो जिसका जवाब हमारी इंडियन आर्मी ने भी दिया। तो एक तरफ ये जो कोरोना वायरस चल रहा है, उस पूरा जो हर देश जो है वो इस कोरोना वायरस की जंग लड़ रहा है और पाकिस्तान पता नहीं अपनी हरकतों से बाज नहीं आ रहा।
जैसा कि आज यहाँ 11:30 से के बाद जो शाहपुर किरनी कस्बा साइड में शेलिंग हो रही है और बहुत ही भारी फायरिंग हो रही है। पहले तो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा डरे हुए हैं, हर दूसरे दिन के बाद जो फायरिंग हो रही है पाकिस्तान की तरफ से, उसके बाद जो हमारी इंडिया की जो आर्मी है ये भी जवाब दे रही है।
Even the lockdown due to the COVID-19 outbreak has not deterred terrorists from Pakistan from making infiltration attempts. The skirmishes along the LOC have been taking place since the beginning of the year despite the coronavirus scare. According to authorities, terrorist activities have amplified in the last few weeks as ice has started melting along the line of control and infiltration attempts are being made on a regular basis. Last week too, a terrorist belonging to an outfit linked to a Pak-based terrorist organization, Lashkar-e-Taiba, launched an attack at a security checkpost in Kashmir's Sopore district that claimed the lives of 3 Indian security personnel. Earlier in a separate incident, terrorists belonging to Hizbul Mujahideen killed an on-duty special police officer and critically injured his colleague in Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. Later, the army and police launched a massive search operation to track them down and eliminated both the terrorists as they opened fire towards them.
SPOs of the SOG post at Tandar, they had gone on the higher reaches for patrolling and they were attacked by the 2 terrorists of Hizbul Mujahideen, namely Basharat and Ashik. After the attack, they fled with their weapons. 1 AK-47 and 1 Insas rifle was taken away. Senior officers of the police, army, CRPF, they all camped at that location and started the search. After 3 days of meticulous search and very hard work, they were able to zero in at a place called Sondar, and there was a nala going behind Sondar area where they had hidden themselves. And when they were searching that area, the terrorists opened fire on them, and in retaliatory action, both the terrorists were eliminated.
While the rest of the global community is busy helping each other by sending medical teams and medicines during the difficult time of pandemic, Pakistan is continuing with its old devious tricks of exporting terrorism to India. Pakistan Army generals who are at the helm of forming policies against India must realize at this point that all their strategies have proven to be counterproductive. It is in their interest if they stop hatching anti-India plots and focus on the welfare of their own people.